Stand by.
Impact. Good shoot. He's clear.
Okay.
Nice in the center.
Perfect.
I know where one target is.
Yeah, I could have, but it's. Let's see.
We got plenty of time.
All right. I'm on target 1.
No.
What's your wind call?
0.1 left.
Okay.
Nothing.
You're high. Come down. Impact.
I'm gonna hold 0.1 left.
Okay. Come right. 2/10. Impact.
Hold it straight up.
Okay. Impact.
I'm gonna hold 2/10 right again.
Okay.
That's what I got last time. What do you think?
Come down. 10th. 2/10.
Down.
Down.
That was off the side. My elevation isn't messed up.
All right. Come left 1/10.
All right, 1/10 left. Damn.
Fuck. Yeah, that was just off the left.
Got you guys for a 12.
Okay.